What's up, entrepreneurs? Brand with Credit here, back with another video. And today I'm going to talk about colors for your logo to help you decide what colors to choose for your logo design. So remember, it only takes 90 seconds for people to make judgments about a product based on the color. Now, first, logos should always be designed in black and white before any color is added, because color evokes emotion. And I talked about that in my color theory video, as well as my color palette video. So we all know that your logo is not your brand, right? However, it is an element of your brand. It's the symbol that helps identify your brand. It could be text, it could be graphics, but it has to have a strategy behind it, because a logo without a strategy is just a graphic.
Okay.
Now, before you pick the color for your logo, you have to think about the messaging of your brand. What do you want your business to convey? What emotions do you want to evoke? Which is a part of your brand strategy to be able to attract your perfect client. So let's get started with some of the common colors that people might want to choose or think about choosing for their logo design. So red is one of the primary colors, and it can symbolize passion, anger, and excitement. I think it's more popular for a young brand image, a brand image that might be loud and playful, not one that's conservative. And blue inspires a sense of calming and healing. Think about the ocean when you're at the beach. It also represents feelings of trust. The deeper blues show confidence and professionalism, but don't overuse blue. It can seem detached and sad sometimes. I think about those houses that are decorated in all blue during the Christmas holidays. It does not give me any holiday cheer, if you will. So yellow is a warm color that represents fun and friendliness. If you want your brand, to bring in clients with a warm and comforting embrace and with some youthful energy, look at yellow. However, it can also represent a playful and affordable brand identity. So that's something to think about too if you're looking at yellow as a logo color. And orange is playful and energetic. So think of it as yellow's cousin, if you will. It has the active emotion associated with red, but uses yellow's warmer tones. Orange is cool for brands looking to elicit feelings of liveliness and happiness, like a travel company. It's also good for call to action buttons to help them stand out. Purple represents sophistication, spiritual awareness, and royalty, and it's good for brands who want to create a soothing identity, as well as brands that offer wisdom and that are high end. Green is a restful color, meaning it doesn't, force your eye to make like heavy adjustments. Unless it's neon green. And green also has a sense of balance and calm, as well as a connection to nature. So if your brand wants to represent a fresh start or security, think about green as a way to relax people's minds. Now, pink is considered the most feminine color. Being a lighter shade of red, your brand might use pink to create like a sense of energy or optimism, blended with the perception of a soothing calm. So pink can also bring about a feeling that can be associated with sex or sexuality. And brown can represent seriousness. It's also soft, and it's connected to natural tones or nature tones, which makes it a grounded choice. If your brand wants to portray a sense of being supportive and reliable, brown might be your color. And being that it's connected to nature, it can also bring a warm feeling to your brand. So as I've stated before, colors are super important in your logo design and your brand identity, but remember, it has to resonate with the feel of your brand. How you want people to feel when they see anything visual about your brand, your visual identity. Don't create a logo based on your personal preference or your favorite color, because you might send the wrong message about your business and your brand. Make sure your brand strategy is in place before you begin to create a color palette or your logo design. So what are your thoughts on these colors for logos, or any colors for logos? Do you have other meanings for the colors that I talked about? Or is there a color that I didn't talk about, that you might have a meaning for? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you need help understanding how to use colors to attract your perfect clients, take my brand personality quiz to find your unique brand archetype to be able to apply it to your visual identity, which includes your logo design, your color palettes, your fonts, and your imagery, all to be able to attract that perfect client and increase their revenue. So go to brandwithcreta.com/brand personality quiz. That link is in the description below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.